Well, the preparations for the grand Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant wedding are in full swing. The couple, who will be getting married on July 12th, was seen having a ball at their recently held Sangeet ceremony. Pop star Justin Bieber also performed at the ceremony and in fact also shared multiple unseen pictures and some memorable videos from his visit here to India for the Sangeet ceremony of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. Now the festivities also included a special celebration of the T20 World Cup winning team India. Neeta Ambani called the World Cup champions on stage, felicitating them for winning the hearts of a billion Indians. Now, the countdown for the wedding had already begun itself in March when the Ambanis hosted a lavish 3-day pre-wedding extravaganza in Gujarat's Jamnagar. Take a look at this report for more. I leave you with that. Thanks for watching so far.
The wedding of the year is around the corner. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant are all set to get hitched between July 12th and 14th in Mumbai. The countdown had begun in March itself when the Ambanis hosted a lavish 3-day pre-wedding extravaganza in Gujarat's Jamnagar.
Welcome to Jamnagar. Welcome to a night filled with love, laughter, and a string of surprises.
1,000 VVIPs from the world of business, Bollywood and cricket joined the Ambani and Merchant families for the celebrations. From business honchos like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates and Ivanka Trump, to Bollywood celebrities Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Saif Ali Khan, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, and sports icons Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni. They all made a beeline for the grand celebrations in Jamnagar. The first event was an evening in Everland, with the dress code listed as elegant cocktail. With stunning gowns and suits all around, everyone dressed to the nines for the evening. They were enthralled by a mesmerizing performance from singer Rihanna, who gave her first concert in 8 years. All the big names in the room danced to her beats. The bride and groom-to-be also had shared some emotional words for each other and their families.
As many of you know, my life has not always been entirely a bed of roses. I've also experienced the pain of thorns. I've faced many health crises since childhood, but my father and mother have never let me feel that I've suffered. My father and mother have always stood by me, and my father and mother have always made me feel that if I can think, I'll do it. And I think that is what my father and mother mean to me. And I'm 100% the lucky one. There's no doubt about that. I also don't know how I got Radhika. So I am definitely the most luckiest here. Radhika has been, for the last 7 years, it feels like I met Radhika yesterday. But every day I fall more and more in love.
What do you really find when you find a partner? What you really find is somebody to witness your life. There are over 1 billion people on this earth, and what does one life really mean? But when you find somebody to promise you to care about everything. The good, the bad, the beautiful, the bold, the sad, the mundane. You say, I will see you every day. Your life will not go unnoticed because I will notice it. Your life will not go unwitnessed because I will witness it. And Anant, I'm so blessed to be a witness to your beautiful life.
Day 2 was a walk on the wild side with jungle fever as the suggested dress code. It was held at Vantara, a one-of-a-kind animal rescue facility heralded by Anant Ambani. The guests showed up in floral hats and animal prints as they took a tour of Vantara. Later in the evening, they swapped their safari-themed outfits for more elegant ones for Mela Rouge. The dress code for this was dazzling Desi romance. Bollywood night saw the three Khans, Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir together on one stage. There were also special performances by Janhvi Kapoor, Ananya Pandey, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karishma Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. But the Ambanis stole the show, from Neeta and Mukesh Ambani's breathtaking performance to Radhika Merchant's stunning dance. And finally, superstar Diljit Dosanjh crooned himself into people's hearts. The final day saw two events. The first one was Tusker Trails, which saw guests dress in casual chic and further explored the stunning forest trail of Jamnagar. In the evening, the Hastakshar ceremony commenced with celebrities in traditional outfits. Radhika Merchant made a stunning entry as she walked down the aisle towards Anant Ambani. It was followed by beautiful performances by Shreya Ghoshal, Arijit Singh, Pritam, Lucky Ali and Akon. If the pre-wedding festivities are anything to go by, the nuptials are only going to be grander.